The National Electrical Code, or NEC, requires the use of a green grounding screw in junction boxes. NEC Section 250.126 states that all electrical equipment and metal raceways, cable armor, and other metal non-current carrying parts that may become energized shall be grounded. NEC Section 250.148 specifies the requirements for grounding screws. Grounding screws shall be of brass or copper-plated steel or other corrosion-resistant materials. They shall have threads that, when engaged with the enclosure, have an effective length of engagement of not less than 32 mm. Additionally, NEC Section 250.148d requires that grounding screws be identified by a green color. Therefore, using a regular steel button head screw to tie a pigtail into a junction box is a code violation. There can be serious consequences from using the wrong screw for grounding, including electrical shock, fire, and equipment damage. If the grounding screw is not properly installed, it may not make a secure connection with the junction box, which can lead to an electrical shock hazard. If the grounding screw is not secure, it can create a loose connection that can overheat and cause a fire. Improper grounding can damage electrical equipment connected to the junction box.